Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume flex on the iPad 8 2020 10.2 model. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is required to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad 2020, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the RFlex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the touch screen, take the direction like opening a book but from the left hand to the right hand side. Open and place it like an open book till removing the LCD screen. Next, take off the LCD screen by undoing screws. There are sticky tapes covering the screw heads. Move aside and remove 4 screws. Next, lift the screen to 90 degrees by the top and then disconnect the plug by undoing 3 screws and the shield. The shield is missing from this device but your device should have it. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors by the socket. And then peel the tape and raise the tab to take out the Touch ID connector plug. Now the touchscreen unit can leave from the body. Next, on the top right, take off the shield by undoing 3 screws. Next, on the top right, release the connector plug by moving the adhesive. Next, undo 2 screws on the volume player shield and 2 more screws on the power button. And then take out the volume plate shield. Next, gently take out the broken flex from the power and volume sockets by using a tweezer. Next, place a new power and volume flex on the board and secure the connector. Ensure the placement and secure the volume shield by adding 2 screws, and then the power button by securing 2 more screws. Make sure to put the adhesive on top of the power and volume connector. Next, secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the touchscreen assembly plugs and the home button flex. Next, place your LCD screen and secure the connector, and then add the shield by inserting screws. Next, insert 4 screws to secure the screen. Next, to clamp up the iPad 2020, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue on your double-sided pre-cut adhesive. Take the closing book direction and place the digitizer on the body. Place the bottom section first and follow the top, and click sides and the bottom simultaneously. Make sure to put pressure on the frame sides and verify the home button sits and clicks precisely. In here, we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.